Yo, what's going on, my ninjas? My name is Sensei Carls, and I have dedicated my life to the martial arts. I also have this huge passion for cars, and on this channel you will find both of those things. Welcome to the Ninja Vlog lifestyle, where we enjoy cars, cinematography, and of course, my crazy athletic lifestyle, all while living in the beautiful state of Colorado. Thank you guys so much for finding my channel. What do you say we get into today's video? What's going on, my ninjas? My name is Sensei Carls, and welcome back to another ninja vlog. Today, you saw it in the thumbnail, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do one of my favorite trick kicks ever, a double leg 540. If you've done already the prerequisite for this video, which would be a regular 540 or even just a Taekwondo tornado kick, those would be the two things as a prerequisite. I'll show those in the explanation, but you guys, without further delay, let's get into it because we're about to do my favorite trick kick in existence. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget, if you guys caught value and you enjoyed this little tutorial, hit that thumbs up so I know that you guys want more of this. But you guys, let's get to it. Here we go. Alright, my ninjas, so that first prerequisite that we're gonna need is gonna be that tornado kick. It's basically like doing a spinning jump front kick. Second, you're gonna need that 540 kick, the classic 540 kick, single leg. We're gonna go ahead and start that double leg. We're gonna take that first leg, keep that leg straight, lift, pull those feet together, and finish the flip, just like you would on a normal 540. Pull those legs up together and finish the 540 double leg jump. From there, another prerequisite that you would want to try would be some leg lifts. Get a hollow jump going, then turn that into a pike jump. Jump, touch the toes, because you're gonna want that real strong crunch, that real strong L shape. From there, let's take those feet up and over, work our way from the bottom, and move to the top. Then from there, let's put it all together and make sure that, as I'm showing now, you guys keep that L-shaped position. Now, let's just put them all together, start working your way from the bottom to the top, and have fun with it. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, my ninjas, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I loved making it. That was a good little 45-minute workout / tutorial for me. I got to practice some tornado kicks, some 540s, regular 540s, and my favorite kick in the entire world, a double leg 540. I don't know if you can tell, a bit sweaty. But you guys, thank you so much for tuning into this episode. Like I said before at the beginning of this video, if you caught value, please drop that thumbs up. It does help the algorithm. After all, that's what we're all chasing. And if you like this content and all the other crazy Colorado shenanigans that I do, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to push that notification bell so you never miss a video. You guys, my ninjas, I'll see you guys next week. You know the drill. Ninja Vlog out. Peace.